I've told you time and time again that millions and billions have been made out of just the simplest idea. One of the most successful corporations trading stocks on the New York Stock Exchange is McDonald's. All based on nothing but a hamburger. And it's not that great. A hamburger, either. Can you imagine that? See what I'm telling you? What's the difference? The idea, the merchandising idea. I have one housekeeper. She's always here. I won't call her name, but there's some things that she cooked that are just out of this world, and with the right merchandising idea, there's no telling what could be done. There's some of you sitting here, but just simple, everyday talents worth millions. And how do you receive these ideas? By opening your mind and just a simple statement. I open my mind to money-making ideas that will set you up. I was happy to read the other day about the Marriott chain of hotels, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry now, started from a root beer stand in Washington, D.C. And many of the great money-making industries came from just little simple ideas. But the big mistake that people make, as I say, is to think that in order to make money, you've got to have some grandiose scheme or some world-shaking something. Place your hands in the receptive position and just simply say, I open my mind to right ideas. I open my mind to money-making ideas. I open my mind to money-making ideas.